All right, so here's the 90-90 hip lift exercise. You are laying flat on your back, your knees are at 90 degrees, and your feet are on the wall. You're gonna take a small ball, 4 to 6 inches in between your knees, okay? The first thing we're gonna work on is taking 2 breaths. So you're gonna in through your nose and exhale, and your ribs are gonna come down towards your waist. This is just a warm up to get the breathing. You don't want your breathing from your neck, your chest, your upper stomach. Your lower ribs are sinking down, okay? So that's the warm up. Now the exercise starts like this. The first thing is lift your tailbone slightly off. Good. Your waistband is still on the table, all right? Then you're going to squeeze the ball and dig your left heel down into the wall so you're activating your hamstring and your inner thighs. Do you feel that? Okay. So from here, you take 4 breaths, keeping this engaged. Ribs come down. Tailbone is up. Good, that's phase 1.